In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in WPS Office desktop or laptop. Page numbers are essential when working on long documents, reports, or academic files because they help readers navigate your content more easily and keep everything organized. In this tutorial, you will see how simple it is to add and manage page numbers directly in WPS Office on your computer. To begin, open your document in the WPS Office desktop or laptop application. Once the file is open, make sure you are viewing the main editing interface so you can access all the formatting tools. Page numbering is handled through the top menu, so take a moment to look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. From the top menu, click on the Insert tab. This section contains tools that allow you to add elements such as headers, footers, and page numbers. Under the Insert tab, locate the Page Number option. You will notice a small drop-down arrow beside it. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available page number presets. When the preset options appear, you can choose the style that best fits your document. These presets allow you to place page numbers in different positions, such as on the left side of the header, centered at the top, or aligned to the right. There are also inside and outside header options, which are especially useful for documents that will be printed double-sided. Select the preset that matches your layout preference, and WPS Office will automatically apply the page numbers to your document. After applying the page numbers, scroll through your document to confirm that they appear correctly on each page. The numbering will update automatically as pages are added or removed, helping you maintain a clean and professional format without extra effort. If at any point you decide that you want to remove or adjust the page numbers, WPS Office makes that easy as well. To do this, double-click on the header area where the page number appears. This action activates the header editing mode and reveals additional options related to page numbering. Once the header is active, look for the option to remove page numbers. When selected, you will see several choices that let you control how the page numbers are removed. You can remove them from the current page only, from the entire document, from the current page forward, or from a specific section. This flexibility is helpful when working with documents that require different formatting in different sections. After choosing the appropriate removal option, the page numbers will be updated immediately. Review your document to ensure the changes match your expectations. With these tools, you can easily add, customize, or remove page numbers depending on the structure of your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.